Hi there traders, this is Steve Miley for forexfraud.com, and we're now taking a look at both the Australian and New Zealand dollars in here. Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar both against the US dollar. And mostly being driven here by US dollar strength, returning and resuming US dollar strength as we've gone into mid-June in here. We've seen this plunge lower by Aussie US dollar. I say most of this US dollar strength, but also some Australian dollar weakness factored in here. And that's seen us break down through this counter trend line initially early last week, then 68.99.97, and then very close to in here sitting, just through 68.63, 62, just nudging through there, enough for us to shift our intermediate term outlook to a more bearish theme in here. And we're seeing certainly downside threats, maybe down to in here this spike low that we saw at the beginning of the year from the flash crash. So real risk down to there now going into the second half of June. Similar technical picture for New Zealand dollar in here, so selling off, having had this really strong early June rebound in here that created a basing pattern rejecting the April-May sell-off, but then the resumption of bearish pressures, the resumption of an intermediate term bearish theme, enough for us to push down through this support here at 64.95.93, just holding up above the 64.80 low, and certainly looking for negative threats to come through, bearish pressures to come through into now the second half of June, and looking for deep correction risk down through 64, down to maybe 63 kind of area as we go through into the second half of this month. This has been Steve Miley for forexfraud.com, and I wish you a great trading day.